Hey everyone! Did you know your neighborhood might be more connected than you think? It could be because of the Argentine ants. These little guys have built a huge super colony, like thousands of miles huge. Think about millions of nests all joined together, working as a team like a well-oiled machine. Argentine ants are super good at working together. They've made a giant network that stretches across different continents. Their colony is bigger than some countries. That's crazy, right? They talk to each other using smells called pheromones. These smells create trails that lead them to food and back to their nests. It's like a GPS for ants. So the next time you see an ant, remember it might be part of a giant city of ants. This Argentine ant super colony is one of nature's coolest secrets. Xin chao kakban. Kakban ko biet kupo kwa min ko the ket noi voi nao new honban ingi kong. Du ko the la no loai kien Argentina. Nung chu kien no bineda zay dung motsu tapdon konglo try dai hangan dam. Tam dong. Hai tuong tuong hang triu tu kien duok lien ket voin hao. Hoat dong nu mot ko mai dong bo huan hao. Tam dong kien Argentina labak dai ve hop tak taura mot mang lui rong lon try dai kap kak luk dia. Tam dong de hein dung tap don kwa chung lon hon mot so kwak jia. Tam dong chung giao tip thong kwa pheromone. De lai mui hong dan duong cho dong loai den thuk an va trove na ha. Tam dong no gyong nu mot hi thong GPS. Nu hung dan cho kien. Tam dong vivai lan toi ki ban nin dai mot kon kien. Hai no rang ban ko the dang chung kien mot fan no kwa mot nen van min kong lo. Tam dong siu tap don kien Argentina thuk su la mot trong nu hung bi mat hap dan nat kwa thien ni hien.